Hi everybody, is your Spectrum cable box stuck on initialization 8? Don't stress, in this video, we will walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your box up and running again. Let's fix it together. Why does Spectrum cable box stuck on initialization 8? When your Spectrum cable box is stuck on initialization 8, it indicates that the device is having trouble completing its startup process. This issue can arise from several potential causes. Corrupted launch configuration. The cable box may have corrupted settings, preventing it from initializing correctly. This can happen due to software glitches or interruptions during updates. Loose connection. Physical connections such as coaxial or HDMI cables may be loose or improperly connected, affecting the box's ability to communicate with the network. Service outages. If there is ongoing service outage in your area, the cable box may not be able to retrieve necessary data to complete its initialization. Fix 1. Inspect cables and connections. Ensure that all cables, coaxial, HDMI, and power are securely connected. If using HDMI, try disconnecting and reconnecting it. Check that the coax cable is properly connected to the cable outlet on the wall. If using an HDMI connection, verify that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the receiver and the TV. Remember that boot up sequencing can take several minutes to complete as causal information leads, so be patient during this process. Fix 2. Power cycle cable box. Rebooting refreshes the box's connection and clears temporary glitches in the system. Unplug the power cord from the back of the cable box. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in, allowing the system to fully reset. Plug the power cord back in and allow the box to reboot. This process may take several minutes. Fix 3. Check for service outages. There might be an issue with the service outage in your area, hence the channel is not showing up. Visit Spectrum's outage information page to see if there are any reported outages in your area. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and click Chat with us button. Click Am in outage to know the status. Fix 4. Reset via Spectrum account. Locate the reset button on the front of your cable box, often near the bottom right. Press and hold this button for about 7 seconds until the box reboots. Wait for approximately 5 minutes for it to come back online. Fix 5. Leave it on. If the box remains stuck, leave it powered on for an extended period, up to an hour, as it may take time to load. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum support. Contact Spectrum customer support for further assistance, as there may be a problem with the box itself or service in your area. Reach out to Spectrum customer support via their contact us page for further assistance, as they can perform remote diagnostic. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. If necessary, they can schedule a technician visit to investigate and resolve the problem on site. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.